When I walked into the office for the first time, the office was not what I expected. It was upbeat, it was joyful. There were staff and patients interacting and socializing. And I can honestly say, post-cancer, I feel better today than I did prior to my diagnosis. And that is in large part due to the way that this practice runs.
The doctors at Northwest Cancer Center have led multiple nationally recognized clinical trials which have established major breakthroughs in cancer treatment for our patients and their families. Our mission is to provide state-of-the-art, patient-focused, personalized cancer care surrounded by a family-driven environment.
We are a community of medical professionals devoted to helping and healing our community. We want to welcome everybody who walks through our doors like their family.
And it's nice to have a place with high quality care in your backyard where we do all the newest trials and all the newest treatments where you don't have to travel too far and you get high standard of care.
This building is spacious. Obviously, it's a beautiful place to be, especially when you're sitting there thinking, oh, I got cancer and I gotta get treatment for it somehow. They make it easy.
At Northwest Oncology, we offer our patients to be seen within 24 hours of their diagnosis. We understand that it can be shocking to receive a cancer diagnosis, and we want our patients to be comforted knowing that they have a treatment plan in place by our team of experts who are here to help. We also have an open door policy. If patients aren't feeling well, our clinic doors are always open, and a provider will be more than happy to see the patient the same day to address their needs and concerns.
I have the blessing of being able to work alongside Dr. Sharma in the operating room, which I think is a wonderful asset to our patients. So they get to see both Amanda and myself and Dr. Sharma in the clinic and then have a familiar face going into the operating room.
Here at Northwest Cancer Center, we have also added other professionals in the integrative department, such as a social worker and an Eden energy medicine practitioner. Our goal within the integrative department at Northwest Cancer Center is to provide holistic and individualized care for each patient and to improve the patient's quality of life.
I am here in life today thanks to Dr. Kassar, who took personal interest in my case to find a cure. I was in remission in 1 year. I'm in an environment where I feel welcomed, loved, and cared for every single time I walk in.
Patients are family. It's a priority to make them feel welcome and to make sure that they have everything they need.
The last thing that convinced me when I couldn't decide what to do is when Dr. Shaw looked at me and said, if you were my own dad, I'd be doing the same thing for you. And we've had very good success on the kind of cancer you have. So I had my faith in him, and every time I come here, he's just, I look forward to meeting him because it relieves my mind every time I talk to him.
My doctor, he's another person that's positive in my life. He told me, he said, I'm going to give you the diagnosis, but, try and be positive about it. And for some reason, I guess he knew that that was my character, that I was going to be positive. He really is a fabulous doctor.
I was lucky when we first came to Northwest Oncology, we were able to enroll patients on clinical trials for immunotherapy, and now it's a standard frontline treatment for many patients. And we are actually in the process of adding more and more clinical trials. What that means is that patients have more options when they come for treatment. Certainly we're trying to not only help the patients that we have now, but help patients in the future for years to come. I'm so proud to be part of Northwest Cancer Center. I think we've developed an excellent cancer program, state-of-the-art. We think we're providing the absolute best cancer care, just as good as any place in the country.
One of the most important decisions that a patient will make is their oncologist. I could not be any happier that I chose Dr. Kassar and this team because we've done it. I am cancer-free and happy and grateful. We'll be forever grateful.